Good morning, first graders. This is a very exciting week for me because it is Computer Science Education Week. We are going to celebrate Computer Science Education Week by participating in the Global Hour of Code event. The Hour of Code event is a worldwide event that aims to get all boys and girls, or as many boys and girls as possible around the world, to try to do some coding. If you look at this map on their website, this is the Hour of Code website, it shows you all the different places in the world that are participating in an Hour of Code event. Each of these little orange dots is a school or location in the world that is participating in the Hour of Code. If I zoom in here on the United States to where we live, here's Illinois, and I'm going to keep zooming in here. This little dot right here is Earl Pritchett School. So I registered our school to participate in the Hour of Code event. So when we see this number up here that shows all these different people and students that are doing the Hour of Code event, our school is one of those numbers. We are one of the school that is registered to participate in the Hour of Code event. If you went to Pritchett School in kindergarten, we started learning some coding at the end of the year when we started doing remote learning. So we did several different lessons where you were learning how to do some coding. We watched a Brain Pop Junior video that taught us about coding and how we command things to happen by making them do certain movements on the screen. But that was a long time ago, so we're going to start today by just reviewing what coding means and why we think it's important for boys and girls to be doing some coding, even when you're as young as you are at Pritchett School. So let's start by watching a video about coding and the Hour of Code.
Hello, young scholars. Our company is called 24G, and welcome to the Hour of Code. At our company, we build all kinds of fun and exciting technology. We make robots, video games, special cameras to take fun photos, and all kinds of other amazing gadgets. The things we build here at our company are super fun to use and play with, but building these things requires a lot of different skills. So if you want to learn how to build amazing technology like us, then you need to know how to work with computers. See, so many things in your everyday life have computers in them. Your phones, laptops, gaming systems, cars, watches, and more. But no matter the shape or size of a computer, it won't do anything unless it is programmed. And that's what we mean by code. See, coding is when you program a computer to do something. And this is done by working with all kinds of computer coding languages. Each language tells the computer what it needs to do. And different kinds of code can do different things. Some code can build websites. Other types of code can create 3D graphics. And some code can even make robots come to life. And that's where you scholars come in. Today, we're going to show you what it's like to work with code and how you can use it to build new technology, just like how we do at our company. And who knows, maybe when you're an adult and finally done with school, you can use your own coding skills at a job and build your own exciting technology. All right, scholars, let's get to work and let's get to the Hour of Code.
All week this week, we will be doing different fun coding activities to celebrate the Hour of Code event. We're going to start today with an activity that we did last year when you were in kindergarten, but not all of us had the chance to do it. But it's a good way to just start doing some coding and review how coding works. So I'm going to show you the activity. It's in Code Studio, and the link that I gave you in Seesaw will bring you to the website where you will find the activity. Okay, for our first lesson today, we're going to be going into Code Studio. We did this at the end of last year, So you may remember this from kindergarten, but that was a long time ago. So we're just going to try this activity again as a way to review some coding. So if you click on the link that I gave you in Seesaw, it will bring you here to Code Studio. And we are going to start with number 3, sequencing with Angry Birds. If I click on number 1, it will bring me to a video that will introduce me to the activity, so you can watch this on your own. And when you're done, press continue. Okay, and then here is our first puzzle to solve. And remember, there is a microphone, a speaker over here that will read to me. So I can press play and it will read it to me.
To get the bird to the pig, snap the east block to the bottom of the win run block, then press run.
All right, so I'm going to snap the E to the one run and press run. And I just solved my first puzzle and I can press continue. So this level, lesson 3, has 7 levels to it. If you finish level 7, you can stop there for today. If you want to go on and try some of the other levels, you can. They'll get a little harder as you go. But if you finish level 3 and that is all the time you have for today, that's fine. Tomorrow's lesson will be another fun activity with coding, so check Seesaw for your second coding activity tomorrow. Remember, when you have completed today's activity, go in Seesaw, add a note, a photo, a screenshot, and let me know that you completed today's coding activity.